Hello, plumbers. Good plumbing is a vital component of any building's infrastructure, and it's key to have the right tools to make sure everything gets installed, fixed, and taken care of properly. That's why today, we have enlisted 20 amazing plumbing tools that you should have. Starting with a revolutionary solution for plumbing professionals and concerned homeowners. The Leak Smart is an intelligent leak and flood protection system for your home and commercial places. The system offers several features to safeguard homes from water damage and minimize the potential for costly repairs. One of the key features of this device is its ability to detect water leaks instantly. It utilizes sophisticated sensors placed strategically throughout the home to identify the presence of water. Leak Smart immediately takes immediate action to prevent further damage as soon as a leak is detected. It accomplishes this by automatically shutting off the main water supply to the home in 5 seconds or less. By cutting off the water flow, it helps to mitigate the extent of damage caused by leaks. Get ready to elevate your plumbing expertise with the McElroy Polygon LT. It's a fusion solution that embraces the artistry of plumbing, empowering professionals like you to create flawless connections and leave a lasting mark of excellence. Designed to fuse polypropylene pipe and fittings effortlessly, this compact fusion equipment boasts features that will make any plumber's heart skip a beat. Equipped with a plumbing professional's dream companion, the Polygon LT is data logger compatible, bringing a touch of digital wizardry to the fusion process. It incorporates a specially designed drive screw that enables fast open-close times for butt-fusing pipe sizes ranging from 20 to 110 millimeters. It's like a blessing for plumbing pros. Elevate your plumbing skills with the Viega MegaPress XL. It is the epitome of efficiency, reliability, and ingenuity. This tool connects carbon and stainless steel pipe up to 4 inches thick in a safer, faster, and cleaner way. It's about 90% faster than the welded connection. This tool provides a clean, flameless way to complete every job and needs no extra effort to operate. You won't have to take the hassle of manual tightening or system draining. The best part of this MegaPress XL is that it boasts the Smart Connect technology that easily identifies unpressed connections and installs them in just 16 seconds. Lastly, it comes with excellent ergonomics and has a low-weight design, so carrying this big guy around your messy workshop isn't a big deal. Annoyed with the flimsy pipe plugs that can't handle the pressure? You better go with the OD-Co end of pipe gripper plugs. It's the ultimate solution for sealing pipes during testing. These tools expand to create an airtight seal, capable of withstanding high testing pressures. Made with durable metal, rust, and corrosion, these plugs will be an ideal solution for professional plumbers. Not only do they seal pipes, but they also keep out dust and debris, ensuring optimal performance. With sizes ranging from 1.5 to 6 inches, these gripper plugs are versatile and cost-effective. So now, upgrade your pipe testing game with the reliable OD-Co end of pipe gripper plugs today. Basin wrench is an indispensable item for commercial plumbing job site. That's why the ARES tool 33004 basin wrench comes in handy. This tool brings a world of versatility to your plumbing endeavors. Crafted with a slim yet sturdy chrome vanadium steel shaft, it effortlessly navigates the tightest spaces with ease, granting you access to those hard-to-reach plumbing marvels. Prepare to be amazed by its automatically adjusting forged steel jaws, capable of tackling nuts of varying sizes, from 3/8 to 1 1/4 inches. With this wrench in hand, you'll never again struggle to find the right fit for the job. But that's not all. The 33004 basin wrench showcases a remarkable head that pivots up to 180 degrees, giving you unparalleled adjustability for a wide array of jobs. Before heading to the next tools, just a couple of seconds. Hit the like buttons, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. It will help us to grow and inspire us to make good content like this. Here's another wrench on the list. This KINGTONY 3616S is a rapid pipe wrench that stands like an ultimate plumber's companion. This versatile tool is a master of all trades, fitting perfectly with fasteners and pipes of any shape. This wrench eliminates all the slipping screws, as its anti-slip teeth provide a secure grip even on worn ones. The special jaw design ensures an extra strong hold, giving you the confidence to tackle any plumbing challenge. Crafted from durable CRMO material, this tool is built to last and ready to withstand the toughest jobs. Its one-hand operation makes it a breeze to use, saving you time and effort. Experience the power of its rapid ratcheting action and make your work smoother than ever. Now we have a hydraulic pipe bender from Refco. It's a great tool for all your pipe bending needs. This reliable solution helps you to bend various sizes of copper, brass, and plastic pipes effortlessly. Setting up the bender is quick and easy. Thus, you can spend more time working and less time installing. With a capacity for soft copper pipes ranging from 1/4 to 7/8 inch diameters, you'll have the flexibility to handle different projects. The angle master mechanism enables you to read the bending radius accurately, ensuring precise bends with minimal effort. Simply give it a few strokes, and your job is done. The rigid K912 is a powerful drain cleaning machine designed for use in residential and commercial purposes. It simply takes on sinks, tubs, and shower drain. This drain cleaner is ideal for cleaning pipes up to 2 inches in diameter. With the power of a drill, the K912 clears out all the stubborn clogs or blockages from the pipes, like grease, hair, and all. On top of that, this drain cleaner comes with a great combination of a flexible cable and lightweight design, giving you the topmost comfort while using it for a prolonged period. Don't you think clogged drain lines are no more a headache for you? Plumbing professionals spend a vast amount of time removing burrs and sharp edges from the cut or machined materials. That's why this pen-type tool comes in handy and does the job in minimal time. This KINGTONYtool deburring tool features a metal body with spare blade storage, so you won't have to stop between jobs. It also features a high-hardened metal cutting blade, which is suitable for use on a wide array of materials like plastic, metal, aluminum, copper, and ferrous metal tubing pipes. Thanks to the quick-release blade function and a handy pocket clip, the KINGTONYtool deburring tool lets you keep it nearby and safely store it in the pocket. Next on the list is Viega MegaPress G, a great pipe-fitting system for connecting up to 4-inch pipes used in plumbing or heating applications. This tool is made of high-quality material and is manufactured to meet industry standards and certifications. The best part of this tool is it is designed to save up to 90% labor costs compared to traditional methods of connecting pipes, such as soldering or welding. In addition, the system takes around 16 seconds to be pressed and causes no open flames for absolute safety. No wonder the MegaPress pipe connector will make your work safer, faster, and cleaner. Upgrade all plumbing testing games with the Rothenberger RP50 today. This is the ultimate solution for all your sanitary testing needs. This innovative pump features a digital pressure sensor and a dedicated app for seamless documentation. You can precisely adjust the test pressure with a whopping 30 bars maximum pressure. But that's not all. The combination of stable Bluetooth connectivity and the Rothenberger app allows you to get access to all your data in real time. Oh! It also features an early warning system so you'll never be caught off guard. And there's also a USB-C port, which makes charging and data transferring a lot easier. Now let's talk about the brand new innovation in fire protection technology. Though it is a specialized tool designed for NFPA 25 contractors who focus on fire protection systems, but also aids in the maintenance or testing of larger plumbing projects. Each flush toolkit comes with various components, including 3 set rods, a full schedule of galvanized nipples, a tap cylinder, a ball valve, and 2 compression nuts, so the contractors can work more quickly and precisely. This tool also has a portable case, which enables safe and easy transportation to job sites and storage when not in use. After flow testing, the HydroTap can be used as the test connection for the FDC hydrostatic testing. One single tool, fantastic versatility. Okay, you just want to enjoy a cleaner, fresher bathroom, but the conventional plungers are not helping you well? So you better go with this Cobra Plunge-It, an ideal solution for all your toilet clog woes. Say goodbye to all those time-taking standard plungers and get high-efficiency, low-flow with this Cobra plunger. This tool is specially made for standard toilets. It tackles even the toughest clogs with ease. On top of that, the Cobra Plunge-It is also made of non-marking durable rubber, so you can use it with peace of mind knowing it won't damage your toilet bowl. Meanwhile, it features a durable, non-absorbent white handle, which not only makes it easy to hold, but also lets you store it in your bathroom attractively. You've always wanted a way to remove, refit, or solder valves or fittings without shutting off the water supply, right? Keeping that in mind, Narad Tools designed this jet sweat flow prevention tool, which lets you temporarily isolate water flow in pipes. It's a specifically engineered tool for professionals and holds up to 75 psi of pressure, making it suitable for heavy-duty work. Plus, it also allows you to stem the flow from a tank-down service while removing or replacing the gate valves. Thus, there'll be no discontinuation of water supply to the entire building. It is also designed to be durable and long-lasting, making it a valuable addition to any professional plumber's toolkit. No matter whether you're involved with a commercial project or some household tasks, this KINGTONY 6500 pliers wrench will be a great addition to the tool collection. With a 42mm wide capacity, it can handle a wide range of fasteners and is suitable for all professional and DIY plumbing projects. In terms of comfort and usability, the wrench has an ergonomic handle designed to fit comfortably in hand. Plus, the 8:1 ratio of lever transmission also helps to amplify the force you apply, making it easy to turn fasteners with minimal effort. And the high-quality material construction makes the 6500 more durable and capable of withstanding all the rigors of regular use. Don't let the cutting job slow you down. Grab this Knipex 902301 DP50 pipe cutter and tackle any project with ease. This uniquely made pipe cutter is built for cutting 32, 40, and 50mm plastic drain pipes with a wall thickness of up to 2.4mm. Plus, it enables optimal cutting with slide bearing and self-adjusting guide rolls, bringing a real pro look to every outcome. This tool also features a dual-stage blade to cut and chamfer in a single operation. Apart from that, the DP50 pipe cutter has durable workmanship, which makes it perfect for rough and tough jobs. Worried about the blade changing hassle? Not an issue. The high-quality ball-bearing steel blade surprisingly lasts long, and when it comes to replacement, you can do that in no time. Here is the Reed pump stick. It is a game-changing cordless water transfer pump ideal for contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. First things first, this tool can quickly pump water from one location to another with a 15-gallon-per-minute transfer rate. Plus, it's also compatible with different battery brands by changing the battery adapter plate, making it even more versatile. In terms of efficiency, it provides a secure magnetic hose connection, which maintains a fast and reliable link, ensuring a steady water flow. Finally, thanks to the impact-resistant glass-filled polycarbonate parts and aluminum body, you can rely on it for years to come. Snap Drill Hole Cutter. It's your all-new secret weapon to make perfect holes every time. This lightweight tool easily and precisely cuts up to 4-inch pipes, ensuring your cuts are always centered. Now you no longer have to face uneven holes and wrist strain because the Snap Drill features an automatic feed mechanism. The amazing part hits here. This hole cutter comes with a built-in level that has 3 different positions, so you can complete every application with even greater accuracy. Worried about the overhead operations? Not an issue. This tool is perfect for them. And the carbide hole saw is made to last, so you can confidently tackle any job. Get ultimate stability and precision when working on metallic piping systems with these Rothenberger press rings. This specially designed press ring set includes all important profiles and sizes, so that you can handle all major pipe dimensions effortlessly. These press rings allow you to perform tasks in places where you once had to spend a lot of time working. With an effective locking function, the press rings remain open to ensure ease of one-handed operation, while maintaining the highest level of safety in every job. The most notable feature of these press rings, they have a 180-degree swiveling function, allowing you to tackle every installation, even in the tightest areas. On top of that, these press rings are made from high-quality material, allowing them to last for a long time. Plumbers never leave home without a wrench in their toolbox. This is the WorkPro WP272014. Water pump pliers is a versatile tool that combines the functionality of an adjustable wrench and pliers. This tool is compact, but gives you the ultimate strength to complete jobs faster. It's made of high-quality CRV steel that ensures longevity and offers stability. With a jaw-opening range of up to 42 millimeters, the WP272014 can handle a wide range of nuts and pipe diameters, and the measurement scales make it easy to size them accurately. Thanks to the anti-slip teeth, it provides a secure grip on every material. Meanwhile, the tricolor handle stands for the most comfortable grip. Additionally, the convenient trigger of this tool makes it an ideal solution for all wrenching jobs. So, that was our video of the 20 amazing plumbing tools that you should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.